This is the way we want to start out our last week of work for the year. We got this gorgeous 427 LS on the dyno, been custom painted blue. It's got all the polished accessories on here. It's a 625 build that made 640 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. That's what we're talking about. Gorgeous motors, beautiful horsepower, and again, we are #1, Proformance Unlimited. Have a great, happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Peace. Up, down to our target idle. Alright, let's make a pull. Yeah, that was nice, man. That was a nice number.